Hi everyone, welcome to NG Technologies. In our today's tutorial, we're going to look at how to use the voice typing tool in Microsoft Office. Let's see how to use voice typing tool or feature in Microsoft Office. Yeah, you have to follow these steps. Step number one, place Windows button plus H, then activate the feature, then start speaking. Let's jump into it. Okay. This is our new file. So what you do, press Windows button plus H. Okay, now it is listening. So whatever I'm speaking, it is typing it. What do you understand by the following terms? What do you understand by the following terms? A computer, computer program, computer virus, cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence. Well, basically that's how you can use the feature basically to help you to ease your work of typing in Microsoft Word.